This is exercise 14, Python sets. Okay, for sets, it is the same as list and tuples. It is a collection. It is the same as set. A set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. Actually, set is the same as set in mathematics. And then set cannot contain duplicate items, and these items are not in particular order. Let's say you have triangle and square, so inside you cannot have duplicate items. You cannot have two squares, you cannot have two triangle. Let's say for this one you cannot have the same items like 1 1 1, so you cannot have duplicate items. And then we can only use mutable objects in for example like strings, numbers and tuples. So a set cannot have mutable object like lists and dictionaries. And then three things that you have to remember in sets, which is the first one, items of a set are not in order. Then it can have triangle first and then square, but if you run again, it will print triangle first and then the next one is square. It is not in order. And then no duplicate items are allowed. And the third one is items must be immutable objects. Okay, so to create set in Python, you must place the items inside the curly brackets separated by commas. Again, set does not allow duplicates. Okay, so first example, we have these items: apple, banana and cherry. So these are the items in set, which is these items are actually in curly brackets, so we know that this is a set. And then print this set. Okay, so it will print, or it will give a result in unordered. So we have cherry, banana and apple. And then again, we cannot have duplicate items in set. Let's say we have two cherry and cherry. What happen if I print this one? Okay, it will print, or the output would be only one cherry or one item, because it cannot have duplicate items. So it will print only one: cherry, apple, banana and potato. And of course it will be printed in unordered. Sets are unordered, so you cannot be sure in which order the items will appear. And then inside we can also access the items in the curly bracket or in the set. So you cannot access items inside by referring to an index or key. It is not the same as in list and tuples, because list and tuples we can access the items using index number, but in set we can access the item by using loop function, because you can loop through the set item using for loop, or ask if a specified value is present in a set by using in keyword. So you have to use for in keyword. Okay, so let's say you have a set function, apple, banana and cherry. So you want to access the items in the set, so you need to use for and in. For x is the items in the set in this set, so print x. So it will print cherry, banana and apple in unordered. And then you want to check banana is present in the set or not. So for this one, we can use print banana, print the specific item that you want to print or you want to check. So print banana in this set. So let's say if we have this set name, the variable name is buah. So here we need to change to buah. Okay, so print banana in buah. So banana present in this set. So it will print or it will result true. And then in set for change item, you can once set is created, you cannot change its item, but you can add new items by using add method, and then you can also use update method. But for update method, you can use to add for more than one item to a set. Okay, for the first example, we have this example for add method. Okay, let's say we have this set, the same set, apple, banana, and cherry. And this is how you want to use add function. So this set, which is this one, I'll change to buah. Let's say buah is our set. Dot add. So this function is to add new item to the set of items. So dot add, and then what item you want to add. So let's say we want to add durian, and then print. So it will add durian to this item. Sorry. Oops. Let me try again. This set. Okay, so I run again. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this side we have a side, and then we use dot add. So it will add durian in the set. Okay, now we have the example for update. Add multiple items. So we want to add multiple items to a set using update method. So it is the same as add function or method. So we are using this update method by putting a dot and then update. So it will, okay, this set the same name or the same variable name, this set dot update, and then we print this one. It will print everything including the newly updated list. And then this is the same as this example. So this one you can print either using for loop or just the basic print. Okay, and then you can also get the length of a set by using the len function. So we have learned this method, len method. So I will skip this one and just run this. So now we are using the len method, len, to get the length of a set. So we have here 1 2 3 4. That's why the result is 4, because we have 4 items in the set. And then for the remove item or the remove function, we can use it. If you want to remove the items in the set, you can use remove or discard method. Okay, so the first example is the remove method. So let's say we want to remove banana from the list, from the set. Okay, we are using dot remove method. Dot, remember to use dot remove method, and then what kind of items that you want to remove, which item you want to remove. So here we want to remove banana from the set, so we are using the dot remove, we are using the remove function. So I run this one. Okay, it already, so this result, it's already removed the banana from the set. Okay, because you can see here it only print cherry and apple. Okay, note that if the item to remove does not exist, remove will raise an error. Let's say I want to remove grapes from this set. Okay, I run again. It will raise an error because we are using the remove function. But it is different with discard method. Okay, I change back to banana. Okay, the discard method, let's say for this one we are using remove, but if you remove the items that is not exist in the set, it will have an error. But for discard, it will not raise an error if you remove the item that does not exist in the list. That is one of the differences between discard and remove method. Okay, let's say here we want to remove banana, we want to discard the banana from the items or from the set. Okay, so here we want to remove this one. Okay, I run this one, so it will not raise any error because the items present in the set, here. Okay, let's say I try to remove durian from this set. Okay, and then I execute again. You see, it does not raise any error. But now remember we are using the discard method because discard will not raise an error. Even the items that we want to remove does not exist in the set. And then you can also use the pop method to remove an item, but this pop method will remove the last item. Remember that sets are unordered, so you will not know what item that gets removed. Okay, the return value of the pop method is the remove item. The return value of the pop method is the remove item. Okay, let's say we have this example. We want to remove the last item by using the pop method. So we have here a set of fruits which apple, banana, cherry, and then I will add 2 more fruits. We have durian. Let's say we have durian, and then rambutan. Okay, and then we use the pop method. X is equal to this set, this one, dot pop, and then we print x, and then we print this set. Okay, let's say we try to execute this one. Okay, you see that it print x, x is from this one, and then print this set. So it already removed durian from the set. Remember that the return value of pop method is the remove item. So here now we are using the pop method, right? So dot pop print x is the remove item. That's why it prints durian. Durian is the remove item from this set, and then print this set. So now we only have 4 items without the deleted or remove item, which is durian. We only have cherry, banana, apple, and rambutan. Okay, please note that sets are unordered. So when we are using the pop method, you will not know which item that gets removed. Other than pop discard and remove, we also have the clear method, which it will empties the set. Okay, let's say we have the same list or the same set, then we use clear method. It will clear everything, every items in the set. Okay, we execute this one. It will only print empty brackets. Okay, because we already clear every items in the set. And then we also have delete keyword or del keyword that will delete the set completely. So here we have this delete function, which it will delete everything here, and it makes that the list is not present, the list tak ada pun. Okay, so because we already delete this one, okay, delete this set, so we delete everything here. So set ni nampak macam tak wujud because we already deleted it. Okay, so I execute this one. It will give an error because you can see here name, this set is not defined, this set is not defined, this one, this set is not defined because we already delete it. Okay, and then we can join two sets by using union method, which returns a new set containing all items from both sides, or the update method that inserts all the items from one set into another. Okay, so the first one we have union method. Okay, for this union method, it will return a new set. Let's say I run this one. It will return the new set with both item in it, or both item, or all item in both sets. Okay, so here we are using the union method to return all the items in set 1 and set 2. So we have here B1, 2, 3, C, A. It is in unordered, but it print or return everything, every item in set 2 and every items in set 1. Again, it cannot have duplicate items. That's why it only prints only one item of the same item lah, ataupun duplicate item. Okay, and then if you see here, we have 1 and 1, but it only print only 1. Okay, and then we have update method, which inserts the item in set 2 into set 1. Okay, so I execute this block. Okay, so it also insert the items from set 2 into set 1. Okay, and then please note that both union and update method will exclude any duplicate items. I have explained just now. And then okay, there are other methods that join two sets and keeps only the duplicates or never the duplicates. Check the full list of set methods in the bottom of this page. Okay, here lah. And then the last one is the set constructor. Other than using curly brackets, we can use set constructor. How to use this set constructor? So we just add this method or this set constructor, set, and we must put the bracket, this bracket, round bracket. Okay, I will print this one. Okay, so this is the set constructor. This set is the same function as the curly bracket. Okay, and then you can see here, these are the other methods that can be done in set. So you can have add, clear, copy, difference, and then you can see here lah apa built-in methods that you can use on sets. Okay, so this is the exercise for set. Okay, we want to know what is in the empty box. If apple, then fruit. So here we must have in keyword, in. If apple, in fruit, print yes, apple is in fruit. So here we want to check whether apple present in the set or not. Okay, so that's all for Python sets. Thank you.